We go, Ludington. Mason County, help us out on 5, 4, 3. Green flag. If you don't have a favorite already, pick out one of these kids to cheer on and make some noise for them when you make some action. Final 4, see how it pans out. Most of the action over on the east side. 34 are going to come across and join the fun. They're taking the action over to the west side. Haroon getting out of the hard spot. Wow, big shot right there. Haroon meeting up with the number 13 car. There's 121X taking it back to the turnbuckle. Haroon trying for the same escape route. X trying to get some movement over here on the right side. Nice shot by Haroon. Finds the 121X against the wall. 34 JR meets up center field. Whoa, easy on the cameraman. Easy on the cameraman. You got a cross up over on the far side. Warning, warning. Stay off driver's doors. Thank you. Still moving, coming around the front side. 34 and 13. Got number 4 and 121X on the far side. Swing and a miss, nobody home. Gonna circle back around. Here he is in reverse, able to make some contact. JR circles around. Here comes number 4, Haroon. Front end shot. Now it's number 13, can't quite make it. Down to 2, Haroon, nice job by Haroon. Trenton Haroon in the Superman number 4. JR still rolling across center field. Number 13 making contact. Braden Quillen in the 13 car putting up a battle. Songaluski in the 34 JR. Got us a couple of young drivers on the track learning the ropes. They've battled through the first part of the heat to end up the final two. Representing the fellas, it's Braden Quillen in the 13 car. Aubrey Songaluski representing the ladies team in the 34 JR. Setting him up for some contact coming across. Nice shot on the front end. She's going to take Braden Quillen back to the wall. Make some noise. Woo. Aubrey Songaluski tries to put Braden in a timeout. Braden gets up off the wall. Both drivers still moving. It might come down to who had more gas money in the piggy bank. Wow, nice shot right there as the two come together head to head. Got a little quiet for a moment as the two pull up side by side. Here's Braden in reverse. Now it's Aubrey making some contact. The two are going to split, try to line up another shot. Move by Aubrey as she spins around. Most of these kids don't even have driver's license yet. Braden Quillen looking to get some movement out of the 13. Oh, Aubrey put the crunch on him pretty good, but Braden's still rolling. There's Braden making some contact of his own. Can't quite find him on that round. Both drivers trying to wear each other down inside the car and under the hood. Is this kind of like synchronized swimming? But delivering a nice shot on the front quarter panel. They're telling Aubrey back up on a count. That's going to do it right there. Headed out to the track with a checkered flag for Aubrey Sunglu.